Hey foodie, ready to make something delicious and easy food? So today we are going to make the Makai Ki Sabji sweet corn curry. Heat some oil in a pan over medium heat. Once it's hot, add the cumin seeds and let them splutter. Also add asafoetida, known as hing. Add ginger, garlic and green chilli paste. And let the garlic cook for like 5 to 6 seconds. And then add onions and saute until it's golden brown. Now add some salt. Add some green garlic to it and saute everything. Mix everything and saute again. Now add Kashmiri red chili powder to get the nice red color. Then add tomato puree to it. Add some water and let it saute. Mix everything properly. Now add the spices, turmeric, red chili powder, coriander powder, and kitchen king masala, and mix everything. And saute the aromatics. And cover the lid and let it cook for like 2 to 3 minutes until the gravy is nicely cooked. As you can see, add some water. Now add the boiled corn straight and mix everything. Mix the corn with the gravy and cover the lid and let it cook for 5 minutes. As you see, it's nicely cooked. Add some green chillies to spice it up, as the corn are going to be sweet. Add kasthuri, methi or coriander powder or coriander. Mix everything and it's ready to serve with roti, naan or rice. Oh my god, this looks so amazing and delicious.